Alright, good afternoon. We'll have our box break number 14, three box mixer, team random. As a recap, we have Edgar, Randy, Rick, JJ, Edgar, Jonathan, Ryan Reyes, Max, Jonathan, Ryan Reyes, Jonathan, Max, Poch, Ryan Paul, Adonis, Max, Jonathan, Edgar, Randy, three slots for or four slots for Ace, AYEF, Max, Ryan Reyes, Edgar, and lastly Max. Alright, so we're going to randomize the names first using two dice roller to determine the number of turns. So for the names, we're going to randomize it 7 times. So we have Edgar on top, Max Chu at the bottom. Good luck. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last turn. Good luck. 7. So we have Ace on top, Edgar at the bottom. And for the teams, 3 times. Atlanta on top, Wizards at the bottom. Good luck. 1, 2, and last one. Good luck. 3. Golden State on top, Utah Jazz at the bottom. So for your teams, for box break number 14, 3 box mixer, Ace Golden State, Rick Lakers, Ace Nuggets, Max Cavaliers, Max Kings, Max Grizzlies, Ryan Reyes Magic, Edgar Timberwolves, Jonathan Clippers, Randy Pelicans, Jonathan Thunder, Jonathan Nets, Ace Hornets, Randy Hawks, Ryan Reyes Bulls, Adonis Wizards, Ryan Paul Rockets, Jonathan Suns, Ace Pistons, Max Heat, AY Raptors, JJ Bucks, Edgar Celtics, Ryan Reyes Blazers, Max will have Mavericks, Spurs, and Knicks. Edgar Pacers, Poch Sixers, and Edgar Jazz. Alright, so we'll have our break 8 p.m. on Saturday. Good luck everyone and have a good day. Bye.